Hello guys, this is Vivek. Welcome to the fifth tutorial on Linux. In this tutorial, we are going to see how are the different ways in which we can create a file or update a file. So let's clear the screen first. So I'm typing CLEAR, that is clear command. It just clears the screen. All right. Now the basic command for creating any file is either using touch or cat. There are various other tools as well which help you to create files, but I'm going to take example of touch command. So ls command is something which is used for listing the files. So we see that uh, we don't have any file with name Vivek here. So we will create a file to uch touch Vivek. In Linux, it's not required to give an extension to any file name. So I'll just give touch. Next time when I give a ls command, you see Vivek is created here. All right. We'll see the timestamp. So it was created on 30th January 118. This is the time of this particular system. That is PST time it's taking. So uh, we created a file called Vivek, but what's the content of it? You see the file size is just 0. Why is that? So another way to see the content of the file is cat command. Do a cat on Vivek and the file is empty. It just touched the file. It created the file. Now next time if I touch this file again, what will happen? Let's try touching Vivek again. All right. What happened? Nothing. Just the timestamp of this particular file changed. So right now the time is 1:19 PST. So it just updated the timestamp of this file. So this timestamp tells what was the last time the file was modified. So that's what it did. So another command we saw, cat, which is used for viewing the content of the file. Just let's clear the screen. Uh, so let's do one thing. Let's do an ls, and I'm putting this content to file called Vivek. Don't worry about this. I'll explain this in later tutorials. Now, what happened? If you do ls minus lt, now the file size of Vivek is 90 bytes. What's the content of the file? Let's clear the screen and do a cat on Vivek. All right. So whatever the directory content was there, it was added to file called Vivek. Now, if I do cat uh, something like uh, test, or let's do cat Vivek, creator Vivek. What happened? Nothing. It's waiting and showing a prompt. So this is a test file. So whatever you are typing here, it's appended or it's added to the file. This is adding a new line to the test file. All right. This will end the file. Now hit Control and D. Control Z, not D. When I hit Control Z, it stopped and it created the file Vivek with the content. This is a test file. This is adding a new line to the test file, and this will end the file. Now let's do a cat on Vivek now. So these are the 3 lines that got added. All right. Now, if I want to append something, so there are various operations you can do on a file like read, write, append, overwrite, or edit, or delete. right? These are few operations you can do on the file. So to read the file, you just do a cat and then name of the file. You read the content of the file. All right. Now, if you want to append something here, what to do? We did cat greater than sign. This created the file. Every time you write something, it will override the existing file. If you want to append, put a double greater than sign and then name of the file. Here I am appending something. All right, and I'll hit Control Z. Now, if you do a control cat on the file called Vivek, what will happen? Just clear the screen. I'm doing a cat on Vivek. Okay, it appended. Here I am appending something. All right, so it appended to this particular file. So this is what cat does. Now I have a file called Vivek, and I need to copy this file to a new file. Is it possible by doing cat on it? Let's see. I'll do cat. I'll do cat. Please note that these commands in Linux or file names or whatever are very case sensitive. So if you are typing capital C and if you're typing small c, these are two different characters for Linux. So cat Vivek, and I'll create another file called Anurag. Cat Vivek, and so to read the content of the file, you can write less than sign cat Vivek. Okay. Now cat Vivek, and this should be appended or added to a new file called Anurag. What I did, I said that read the content of the file from Vivek and then create a new file and add these content to the file called Anurag. Let's see what happened. ls minus okay, we got Anurag here. Vivek and Anurag. Let's do a cat on Vivek. Okay. Let's do a cat on Anurag. Okay. The content are exactly the same. Why? Because Anurag was copied from Vivek. So play around with this command, guys. The more you play, the more you learn, the more confident you will feel. All right. So always remember a few things. Cat single greater than sign will override the file. Cat double greater than symbol will add to an existing file. All right. So enough for now. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something. Let me know if you have any doubt through comments, and I'll be happy to help you out there. All right. Thanks for watching.